year was 1989. A small machine shop was formed surrounded by the rich farmland of south central Minnesota. When needed, there would be room to grow, and that intention became a reality for the now internationally known and highly respected workmanship created within the walls of 3D CNC. The originators uncovered a specific manufacturing opportunity that required specialization in three-dimensional machining. Within no time, the young 3D CNC satisfied the need while consistently growing the business and functionality into what they are today. A highly regarded and technologically rich enterprise, serving customers in the computer, medical, electronics, aerospace, and industrial equipment sectors. Over the years, this precision machine shop has found the need to expand their footprint 3 times. The new spaces house an enviable cavalcade of tech-savvy equipment. Each manufacturing station and machine tool was purchased and positioned within the facility to reach the next level of manufacturing performance. Through specific purpose, while maintaining manufacturing excellence, 3D CNC has never taken their eye off the intended goal for consistent growth. To assist in that effort, 3D CNC utilizes their technologically driven equipment in all areas of the company, which of course must integrate with the latest and best CAD/CAM software. After all, machines and all the functionality that's baked in must be told what to do, when to do it, and at what speed, function, variability, and succession. Only highly adaptable and cutting-edge CAM software can do that. Advanced CAM software can create ways to save on tool wear, machine faster, with less waste, greater precision, and far better outcomes. 3D CNC knows the better choice is the #1 most widely used CAM software throughout the world. Using Mastercam as their CAM software has proven to be a very wise move.
I studied Mastercam programming at Ridgewater College in Hutchinson. Yeah, knowing Mastercam now and how user-friendly it is, and basically being able to email the guys at ProtoTek and they can help me whenever I need, if it's a toolpath or if it's a posted code edit, yeah, stuff like that. When it comes to the future with everything becoming more automated and production-based, yeah, it'll be great for being able to advance using Mastercam programming.
While choosing Mastercam was a beneficial decision, 3D CNC understands as the software expands and grows, so must the knowledge of their programmers and machinists. That's why, in the upper Midwest of these great United States, Mastercam is presented, technically supported, and trained in person by the Mastercam support professionals at a company called ProtoTek. And 3D CNC takes full advantage of all the perks that ProtoTek provides.
After a couple years after being employed here, we brought ProtoTek in Mastercam, got a license and started playing with it, and taking their classes I think advanced me completely to a different level. I've taken like 4 or 5 different classes there, the basic essentials and surfacing and 4th axis, and yeah, it was a very good experience. They've got a very nice classroom set up there. ProtoTek support is very good and responsive. Send them an email or call and they'll for sure get back to you that day or maybe an hour or something. So
it's the management and employees of 3D CNC that make a good company a greater enterprise. There's an undeniably strong commitment from each professional performing here. They stand tall for excellence in quality workmanship, along with adherence to stringent on-time deliveries. That's why 3D CNC has been focusing on automation to remain competitive and to continue to grow.
My name is Dave Hall. I've been here 32 years now. Actually the first full-time employee at 3D CNC. And as you'll see going through the shop, you'll see major changes. We got some great investment in new machines and technology, and things are going strong, going in the right direction. Really To me, I focus on the very technical parts that maybe other shops pass on. We actually have a Zeiss, a CMM room. Mastercam has helped us a ton just for the simple fact that we can transfer the solid models back and forth between the solid modeling programming software on the Zeiss and Mastercam. So it's been extremely efficient. And we deal with ProtoTek for our Mastercam licensing, and they're fairly close by, and the young guys get sent there for some additional training. Specifically like some more advanced stuff with the 5-axis that maybe they haven't touched on in college.
Automation allows 3D CNC to significantly increase utilization without having to add multiple shifts. Skilled professionals are able to focus on projects requiring critical thinking and creativity, while the automation helps to manage the often repetitive tasks, making time an even more valuable asset. 3D CNC plans to continue to invest in the latest technology and do all they can to stay ahead of their competitors for years to come. With expertise in a dedicated prototyping department, specialized EDM, CNC precision machining, high-tech inspection, with additional grinding and tooling capability, emphasized and collaborating with the power and adaptability of their Mastercam, all while being expertly supported and trained by ProtoTek. 3D CNC is traveling a customer-centric storyline, providing ongoing manufacturing excellence both now and into their exciting chapters to follow.